Arun, how does the ability to quickly deploy new environments enhance agile delivery of core banking transformation programs?
Well, the adoption of cloud-based infrastructure has really been pivotal in core banking transformation initiatives. The speed at which customers can spin up new environments, be it development or production, have made them to be more nimble in their approach towards the entire core banking setup. Customers can provision new infrastructure and at pace, and this has really helped them to faster go to market. And banks also do not have to over-provision because of the scalability and elasticity nature of the cloud. So banks can also create reusable code bases, configurations, and deployment patterns. And this really helps them to streamline the delivery process, and it also helps them to reduce the change management risk. Overall, the rapid provisioning of environments, elasticity, scalability, and the iterative deployment models are those aspects of cloud that really attributes to agility and adaptability when it comes to core banking transformation initiatives.
That's great. And on that, what is the role of assets and accelerators in achieving faster time to market for new banking products and services?
Well, assets and accelerators shorten the deployment life cycle of new products and services that banks want to take it to market. So accelerators are reusable code bases, configurations, integration patterns, or security guardrails, and this really helps customers to get a reduced go-to-market life cycle. For example, GFT have a couple of accelerators with us. One is BankStart, the other one is Bank Litex, and these accelerators help customers to launch a new digital bank within just a few months. And it all comes with predefined integration frameworks and security guardrails right from day one. Customers are also using generative AI and accelerators on generative AI to improve developer productivity and also business capabilities in a number of use cases like user experience, credit decisioning, fraud detection, and hyper-personalization.
That's great. And do you have any examples of assets leveraged in core banking modernization projects?
Of course. We take a phased approach when it comes to core banking modernization. We'll start with an assessment, and we have accelerators like migration evaluator, migration portfolio assessment, and a number of partner offerings that really helps our customers to make a decision of why the migration has to be done. And then follows the mobilize phase. Services like Control Tower and accelerators like Landing Zone Accelerator, they help customers to get a jump start on their infrastructure setup journey. And then comes the migrate and modernize phase, and this is a continuous process where customers do their actual migration and then do the modernization once they have completed migration. We have services like Migration Hub, database migration service, and also a number of partner offerings to make this happen.
That's great. And are you able to share any success stories where an asset-driven approach has made a significant impact on efficiency, customer experience, or competitive advantage in a banking modernization project? Sure.
We have a number of case studies on AWS and core banking modernization. One such example would be Trust Bank. When it was initially launched in 2022, Singapore was arguably the most oversaturated market to launch a bank, as 98% of the population had at least one bank account. And at Trust Bank were able to onboard 100,000 customers in just 10 days of its launch, and they were able to grab 14% of the market in just 1 year, and they were the fastest growing bank at that point in time. And I think Trust Bank was able to pull this off because they were natively born on AWS and they built their entire stack on AWS. And GFT was one of their partners, and we partnered with GFT to make this happen.
Thank you, Arun. It's great working with AWS and some really good background for us there. Thank you very much for your time today.
It's a pleasure. Thanks for having me.